Yo, first order of the day, we've got a Starbucks. This is $9 going 3.5 miles.
Okay, $2 for Curly.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That order was super easy. Give me like 10 of those and I'm good for the day. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7 going 4 miles. This car in front of me, I can see their order and it is pretty lengthy. I'm seeing at least 7, maybe 8 items, and I think they're still yapping. Oof. Okay, there are 3 other cars in front of me, so this might be a wait. Okay, luckily, I think it was just small stuff. I only saw 1 bag being handed over. Thank you. Finally got the next order. This is going to be a stack going to the same person. We've got 7-Eleven and McDonald's, $10 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Okay, never mind. Give me more of those orders. Both of them were ready for me as soon as I got there. Super easy pickups and drop-offs. Just got the next order. This is another 7-Eleven. This one is $5 going less than a mile.
Get something else and put the PM. Okay. Oh, you know that?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Next up, we've got a Victor Rico's. This one is $10 going 3.5 miles. Thank you. I was just about to say this smells so good, but nah. Who orders shrimp this early in the morning? I feel ill. This is disgusting. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Burgerville, $10 going 3 miles.
Thank you very much.
Have a good one. Drop off type, meet at door. Note from customer, just drop off in front of my door, thank you. What actually happened, met at door. Thank you. You too. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $6 and change going 2 miles.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $8 going 5 miles. Thank you. Got this one right away. This is a Starbucks, $6 going just under 2 miles.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too, thank you.
Thank you.
Got this one right away. We've got a shop and deliver for Walgreens, $10 going 3 miles, only 2 items. Looks like I'm shopping for makeup, so wish me luck.
What are you looking for?
Contour balm.
So we're revamping our wall and we might have the product here, but it probably is in a tote in the back until we redo the wall.
Gotcha.
So we probably don't have it available right now.
Wasted time and only got them one of their items. I don't like doing that, but oh well. Low.
Hi. The pin is 6281.
6281. Next order up, we've got a Burger King. This one is $7 going 4 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Current time is 10:22. Total is $90 on the dot. Is it just me or did today seem very short? I feel like I barely did any orders today. Either way, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.